So here are the 5 rounds that we have today. So now we're going to go on to question number 4. Hey Sam, you okay? Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Where am I going? Okay, so national anthems. So I've got my my sound here. I hope the sound will work. I'm going to move my Death Star looking microphone. Death Star. So these are national anthems, and I'll give you some clues as well. P.S. If you've got any, just to let you know, before we start that, no, I'll do that after this one. I'll give you some questions. Okay, so identify the national anthems. So this first one, this country didn't qualify for the 2018 World Cup. The rest have. So identify the anthem. So identify that national anthem. Hello, Mr. Broad, my old school housemaster. So we're in the music round, Mr. Broad. So this is identify this country, and they didn't qualify for the World Cup. So identify that national anthem. That's question number 1. Okay, question number 2 is identify this non-European country. That's the clue I'll give you. And they did qualify for the World Cup 2018. Okay, so identify that country, non-European. Okay, one more time. Okay, now question number 3. That was question number 2. Question number 3, identify this country. No more clues. No more clues beyond that. Here we go. Question number 3, identify this country. Play that one more time. So identify this country. No clues about this. What is this? Okay. Our penultimate question, question number 4, is identify this African country. And again, they qualified for the 2018 World Cup. So that was question number 4. And then question number 5 is this. Again, on Facebook, if it doesn't seem to work, hop onto my YouTube channel. So identify this European country. Play that one more time. There we go. There are your anthems. There are your anthems. So let's go through the answers. Let's go through these answers. Okay. Question number 1. This is a classic one. Italy! Lovely anthem. You always hear it at Formula 1. And this one was Australia. Again, you hear this a lot of the Olympics because they win numerous gold medals. And this one, it was the host of the 2018, Russia. And this one was, the shirt I was wearing, Nigeria. Nigerian national anthem. And 5, the nation that defeats us in the semi-final, Croatia. There we go. So there are our anthems. So let me know what your scores are. So if you have any children that are aged 4 to 7 in Key Stage 1, or aged 7 to 11 Key Stage 2, or Key Stage 3 aged 11 to 14, I do free maths lessons on Facebook with Explore Learning every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So Mondays 10 o'clock Key Stage 1, Wednesdays 10 o'clock Key Stage 2, and then Fridays 10 o'clock Key Stage 3. And again, the lessons are fun. I do some maths rapping, I do some dancing, and there's lots of fun positivity. So a lot of children obviously do PE with Joe Wicks at 9 o'clock to 9:30. Give them a little break and then let them join the maths with Bobby. So that's every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If you've got kids that love maths, get them involved. But what I decided to do is to use my friends, my followers who are taking part in my quizzes and asking whether you can make, whether any sort of funds you have to support the NHS. And I've got something called JustGiving.com. It's JustGiving.com/quiz for NHS. So if you feel like any loose change, spare change, please do support the NHS if you're enjoying my pub quizzes. So I've been Bobby Seagull. You've been wonderful. Thank you for taking part in Quiz for NHS, Quiz with Seagulls, football on Wednesday nights. Saturdays is going to be our general pub quiz for families. And on Monday, 9 o'clock, let your friends and family know. Please spread the word if you had a great time.